So, hindi ko na na-monitor yung time. Akala ko meron pa tayong more or less 5 minutes. Anyway, so going back with our discussion. So, ulitin ko lang. So, of course, you can add, multiple voltage source or batteries to be exact. Kasi, yun lang naman yung mga pwede nating idagdag eh. Batteries and generators are, can be added with each other. Pero kapag yung sa outlet natin, of course, mismong sa source, sila na mismo yung parang pwedeng mag-manipulate. So, by default, meron tayong 220 volts. Pero meron naman iba, pwede na lang baguhin into 110 volts. Or depende, pwede siguro nilang palitan into 150 volts. But mostly, 110 or 220. But when it comes to batteries, so hindi na natin siya pwedeng palitan kasi kung ano man yung nailagay sa battery na yan, let's say 3 volts, okay, or 6 volts, ganyan na ganyan na siya mismo. Oops, sorry. Wait lang. May tumatawag. Yes, hello? Good morning po. Alright. So, guys, saglit lang May kukunin lang ako sa taas. May pinapadala kasi. 2 minutes. Okay? Umihi muna kayo or magkape muna kayo. Saglit lang to. Alright. So, andyan pa ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dito kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, kapag mismo sa source, pwede nilang palitan kahit na ano yung desired voltage na ilalabas sa outlet natin. However, in batteries, kung ano yung nagawa, yun na yun mismo. And then, kapag batteries kasi, may mga internal resistance tayong tinatawag. Okay? So yung mga internal resistance na to, sobrang liit lang naman. Actually, wala pang 1 ohms. Mostly mga 0.03, 0.05. So sobrang liit lang. Wherein yung 3 volts, actually mababawasan pa yan. Minsan 2.99, okay, 2.98, okay, etc. etc. So kapag isa lang, parang okay lang kasi sobrang close. However, kapag let's say tatlo or apat na batteries na yan, so you are expecting to have 3, 6, 9, 12 volts in total. Pero since meron nga silang internal resistances, so minsan magiging 11.5 na lang to. Okay, may mga ganung cases. So kapag isa lang, okay lang. Pero kapag madami, mas marami, actually mas marami pang pagdadaan na resistances, mas liliit mismo yung voltage na equivalent mismo nung submitted na sources na yun. Alright? And ito pala yung rules ng connections natin for the series. So for the current, of course, kung ano man yung dumadaloy na total current natin, yun na rin yung mga dumadaloy na current natin for individual resistances. Okay, kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, kapag ito okay, naging series na, and then kapag ito naging series connection na rin, wherein iis na lang yan. So I total is equal to I1, I2, and then I3. Okay? So, ganun sa series connection. And then for the resistance, of course, i-add nyo lang lahat. Okay? R1 plus R2 plus R3. You will get the R total. And for the parallel, so ito naman yung sinasabi ko kanina. For the voltage, E total is equal to E1 is equal to E2 if it's a pure parallel connection. Okay? Like, for example, we have, let's say, E1, okay, or E total, positive, negative. And then we have the resistance right here, another resistance. Oops, another resistance. Okay, kahit ilan pa yan, okay, lahat yan, same lang yung voltage na dumadaloy. Okay, kung let's say 200 volts to, so yung E1 nyo dito is equal to 200 volts na rin. Yung E2 nyo dito is equal to 200 volts na rin. Okay? Pero, ibang bagay na yung, let's say, meron ka pang resistance dito. Okay? So, kapag dumaloy siya dito, yes, 200 volts pa rin. 100 volts, 200 volts. Pero, kailangan nyo nang i-consider mismo ito. Okay? So, kailangan nyo munang i-deduct ito dito sa parallel connection nyo. Kagaya ng nangyari sa example natin kanina. Okay? So, for the parallel connection ng section nito, R1 and R2, 12 volts siya. And sa pangalawa is 9 volts. And then sa pangatlo is 27 volts. So, 12 volts sa R1 and R2, 9 volts dito. 27 volts naman sa R4, R5, and R6. Okay? Then, a total of 48 volts. Okay, so ganun sa parallel connection. Alright? And then for the resistance, so ito yung formula na ginagamit natin kapag more than 2. Okay? Pag 3 and above. And then ito naman yung gagamitin natin kapag 2 resistance lang. R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay? And then for the current, so ito na yung kailangan nyo namang i-add. Actually, parang ito yung kabaliktaran mismo nito. Okay? Resistance and then yung current. So dito kailangan nyo siyang i-add. Okay? Kasi kung ano yung current na dumadaloy dito, okay, this is considered as I1. And then this is considered as I2. And then this is considered as I3. Okay? And this is our I total. So I total is equal to, so syempre magi-split kasi yung current natin dito. So yung iba pupunta sa I1, yung iba naman pupunta sa I2. So dito magi-split ulit siya. Yung iba mapupunta sa I2, yung iba mapupunta sa I3. And dito, syempre, kung meron pang resistance dito, magi-split ulit siya. Hanggang sa babalik na siya dito. Okay. Which is now again equal to I total. Alright? So kung ilang section man yon or ilang nodes, ganun din kadami yung individual currents natin. Okay, I1 plus I2 plus I3 and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically ito yung mga kailangan yung tandaan, okay, when it comes to series rules connection and then parallel rules connection. So para hindi kayo malito, mas maganda sigurong i-screenshot nyo na to, itong dalawang to, and then yan na yung para magiging basis nyo as your notes, your main notes for the, mga following pang examples, okay, or following topics. Kasi ito yung para magiging foundation nyo, okay, in every circuit that you're going to solve. Alright, so hanggang doon lang naman for the series parallel or parallel series connection. So kapag gusto nyo pa ng more examples, okay, so pwede nyo sagutan to, okay, as your practice, or pwede kayong pumunta sa mga website mismo na, let's say, all about circuits. Ano pa ba? Actually, maraming website dyan. Okay? So, hindi ko lang na-include dito. Pero, napakaraming website dyan wherein you can have more examples. Like, for example, yung mga videos na in-upload ko dito. So, itong mga to, itong letter B and C. So, isang 30-minute video to, I guess. So, wait lang. Matakaw sila sa ads.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have to slow down.
But the free version checks basic spelling and grammar. Grammarly Premium, on the other hand, provides
in this video.
Okay. So, dito is itong 18-minute video. So, nag-umpisa naman siya sa pinaka, simple and then magiging medyo complicated. Actually, sobrang simple pa nga nito lahat. Okay. Ayan. 18 minutes video to. And then, meron din yung isa which is 13-minute video. Also talks about Ohm's law. So, series connection to. Meron ding parallel. Wherein yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay, wherein you can apply our formula right here.
It's gonna be 12
Okay.
divided by
Ito.
6, following the same pattern. And so that's current.
Okay. So, meron pang mas mahaba dyan. Yung iba, ito, 2 hours. Kung talagang bitin na bitin, in understanding the series connection and then parallel connection. So, you can visit this 2-hour video. Okay. So, another ads. Kaya napapakitin since may ads ulit. So, yeah. That's it for the module 2. So, any questions so far?
None, sir.
So, saang part kayo nahirapan so far? May I know your feedbacks? Anyone? Sa kilowatt hour lang, sir. Alright. Okay, so alamin natin yung derivation nun kung bakit ganun. Okay. Actually, parang similar siya sa... Wait lang I think parang ganun siya. So, sa 1 minute, okay, meron tayong 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Alright. So, parang parang dito talaga, parang similar talaga siya dito eh. Pero hindi ko lang malaman kung paano yung tamang process ng derivation ng into 1 kilowatt hour is equal to P times hour divided by 1,000. Okay, so anyway, alamin natin yung derivation nito kung bakit siya naging ganun. So, kilowatt hour. So, yeah, hanggang dito na lang muna. And I will now publish your example number 8, exercise number 1, and then quiz for the series and parallel circuit. So, change ko na lang yung deadlines nila into May 17. So, I'll give you guys exactly 1 week in those 3 activities. Alright, sige. Hanggang doon na lang muna. And again, do not forget to answer the discussion also. Okay? So actually, ngayon na yung deadline neto. So sa mga hindi pa nakasagot, please answer this one now. Hanggang 11:59 PM na lang to. Okay, so that's it for the week 1. And the next meeting we'll discuss week 2. Okay. So we have 3 modules for this one: Kirchhoff's law, Maxwell, and then superposition theorem. All right, so any other question? Question, guys? Or clarification?
None, sir.
None.
Okay, sige. Kung wala na, then you guys may now go. So if you guys have a question in the future, so you can message me anytime. Okay? So goodbye and see you guys next meeting.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Then
Bye, sir.
Bye,
goodbye.
sir.